Hello singers, you're welcome back to How to Sing with RJ. Today I'm giving you brand new diaphragm exercises that can help you sing better with more power, breath control and confidence. Now let's get right into it. The weightless book technique. Now this is what you're going to do. Place a light object on your stomach. A light object. Most people use a heavy book. Don't. Place a light object on your stomach and then inhale slowly and let it rise. Exhale slowly and try to keep it from hovering or dropping too fast. This trains smooth support, not forceful pushing. Now imagine holding a cup full of air inside your diaphragm. Now you're going to inhale, and as you inhale, you're going to feel as if that cup of air is inside you. Now while you're breathing out or exhaling using you are going to behave as if that cup of air is what you are breathing out, is what you are exhaling. Like that air, you are breathing it out. You get it? This helps you build steady airflow for long notes. Now place your hand on your lower belly and do short bursts like this. This trains your diaphragm to react quickly when you sing. It helps you improve in your attack agility while you sing. Pretend as if you're going to laugh really loud, but then hold it silently. Something like this. You see that sideways ribs expansion? That is what you're going to hold. Now hold on to that feeling and vocalize using the ha sound. Okay, now this trains you to have good rib support and trains you to sing really well with your diaphragm. Next, grab a straw. Now while you grab that straw, you're going to inhale normally, and then when you exhale, you are going to exhale through that straw for about 10 to 15 seconds. The resistance forces your diaphragm to work stronger, building your breath stamina. Next, inhale deeply, and then lift your ribs outwards while you inhale. You'll notice something there. Now, while holding on to that feeling, try speaking. Now, imagine that your breath is an elevator. Up to the chest is level 3, then down to your belly is level 1. Now practice low breathing. This helps you remove shoulder breathing instantly. It helps you remove shoulder breathing. Instead of breathing and your shoulder is what is elevating, it should be what? Your chest. Down to your belly. Low breathing. Blow a balloon halfway and stop suddenly. See that feeling? Now release the air slowly. Now this is going to help you with your air management and helps you to be able to sustain notes. Very, very effective. Next, stand with your back on the wall. Now while your back is on the wall, inhale. Okay, inhale and gently press your lower back towards it. Now while you exhale, use a C to exhale. Okay, now this trains both your breath and your posture together. Now place one hand on your chest and one hand on your shoulders. Then while you do that, try to sing a line of a song. Now what this does is that as you place that hand on your chest and your shoulders, make sure that they don't move while you sing. This helps your diaphragm do all the work. Okay? So because your shoulders and your chest is not moving, that shows that your diaphragm is doing well. But if you notice that your chest and your shoulders are moving while you are singing, then you are doing the wrong thing. So try to train your diaphragm. Practice these exercises consistently and your breath control, your breath support will transform. If you want more vocal tips, please do well to leave a comment behind. And please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video.